Okay, let's go through the first algebra questions here. Hey, 2 brackets equals 0 here. Solve for x. They're giving you the answer. If x minus 1 equals 0, this is a solution. So x equals 1. You get a mark. You just read off the answers. It's 1 plus 3x equals 0, or you subtract 1, divide by 3, or 1 over 3, but change the sign. It's negative 1/3. Here's a quadratic equation that they gave in the right form. There's a, b, c. You have to substitute it into the formula. You'll get 2 marks here for coming up with the right answers, 3.27 and negative 0.77. But you got to substitute it into the formula to get the right answer. Okay, or to get all the marks, you'd lose a mark. Okay, let's try this one. This is the one that some people get mixed up with. Now what they did is they moved everything. They added 6 and they added 4x to both sides. And then they divide everything by negative 2. But they changed the direction of the arrow. When you divide by a negative, you change the direction of the inequality. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. 6 divided by negative 2 is minus 3. And then they factored it. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, and minus 3x plus 1x, this works. So x equals 3 and x equals minus 1 are the factors. But now you need the answers. You have to say, what things could I put in here that would make it positive, that would make it greater than 0? Well, you could test some things. You could pick a number in between 3 and minus 1, like 0. And you'll find that the answer will be negative. It'll be negative. But if you pick a number bigger than 3, like 4, it works. This y equals x squared minus 2x minus 3, I got a computer to graph it. The things that make it equal 0 are minus 1 and 3. That's what you figured out. Well, where does it go positive? When it goes above the line. So, when x is greater than 3 and x is less than minus 1, there's your answer. So that's how you get all your marks. Maybe we got time to look at the next one. So what did they do here? They isolated the surd. They added x to both sides. They squared it. They got x plus 5, and they square x plus 3. They get x squared plus 6x plus 9. They took away 5 from 9 and got 4. Took away x from 6x and got 5x. Then they factor this. 4 times 1 is 4. 4x plus 1x is a 5x. So x equals minus 4 or x equals minus 1. But you've got to check your answers. And minus 4 doesn't make this true, but minus 1 does make it true. So they say you don't have to do it in a substitution. You just have to show that x cannot equal minus 4. That shows that you checked the answer, and x equals minus 1 is the answer that works. Okay.